Massachusetts on one of our canal stops, and many different paper mills came in to be in, and Holyoke became the paper city. This is the George R. Dickinson Paper Company. The Dickinson Paper Company made a moderate amount of paper. They're located on Sargent Street, and I'm stopped here mostly to show you this one, but also show you a couple more mills across the street. So we'll look at them now. What you see, there's an empty space there. That's the first level canal going by, and it's taking the water and put it into the second level canal. And so the building in the distance is not using canal water. That's the Berkshire Yarn Company, and it was made to make cotton yarn here. It was one of the last mills ever to move into Holyoke. It probably came in the 19-teens, and that's all they made. Now, across the street itself, you can see another building in the distance beyond these solar collectors, and that's the Parsons Paper Mill. If you had come out here 20 years ago, the Parsons Paper Mill was the biggest mill in Holyoke. It made paper, of course. It was the first paper mill in Holyoke. This is mill number 2, and the first one's on the Connecticut River. And about 19 years ago, it burned to the ground by arson. And you can still see a part of it in the distance. It's now taken over by Aegis Energy. But in the foreground, you see solar panels. And there's 19 solar panel fields around South Hadley. The money was given from the federal government when they took down the coal plant on Mount Tom on Route 5. That was owned by Holyoke Gas and Electric. And with that money, they put up these solar panels. And the amount of energy coming out of the solar panels is so great that it rivals the energy coming out of the canal and out of the turbines. Each 3 components makes 25 megawatts worth of electricity, and so Holyoke is getting up back to its standard of 100 megawatts of electricity that it had about 100 years ago. So this area around the first level canal is the very end of it, and there's one more, a lot of more stops, but there's one more stop even south of this one that will be going on, and that's on South Race Street. So I hope you go on that and you learn more. Thank you very much.